Guys, so me not sorry, me not no vessel. And somebody they try cut to my call. You salo boy ya me wa wife in call, me call. Sorry, I try fix my phone. Guys, please, the more you can share this video. Share. I go start going. Are you guys see me? Hello guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to Mwelega page, guys. What's up? How na zin on a good evening. I greet all of you now. I greet you now, guys. You are welcome. Please, the more you can share this video, I have something to say, okay? I have something to say because some women will be say they're there for Europe. Will be say they don't fit keep their kpekus. Women will be saying that they for fuck they go. It they pay me say or they thought of the ones will be say that the reason where you get why, guys. Share this video, you get why. Man, no waste time. Eh? I buy Mugu idiot in it, guys. Watch share video now. I want to talk to Esther and Mugu idiot. Esther, you are Mugu idiot. A page you know, it belongs to Esther and Mugu idiot. Mugu idiot. You guys know what they call Mugu idiot. The only woman wey boy best side for social media. Who they talk 100 years to 100 years, he born Ibe. The only woman wey get Ibe children for social media. Even the Esther to talk about Esther, husband slasher. But me Germany weweje. We wawe owa. So wawe the best single mothers in the wawe kia, the wawe kokobiri kia wo Germany. Odave wo diri ega mami we at nowhere. Iya meta mu we gboma bi me existing. I sorry for na papa. I sorry for you. I sorry for you. Agba Esther do Esther aka husband snatcher. Who be husband snatcher pa? Owo doma ve gwa we. Owo doma gwa. Who give you who put money for your head? They different. Who you bonbon give? They different. Oh my word, Jesus. Igbo ma very na. Igbo ma wugwa no makeke no wate agwa wugwa bu, you know. Ngwa na ege mi ya fe oginu wa na gwe mi gine mi we no gwa ve davere na oga first time we ya mi we re live video ya right me hello ogbiju hello mana ve gbiju ne ma shadow we hello ogbiju we nita Iviagbo, rena, wamena ejena avielele vere o avie. Avie vere, omo no emu, omo warok ba emu ime. Ijo. Omo warok ba emu ime, omo wano muwe magbara salobua. Who are you? Why no fit talk to you? Who are you? Esther niziga. Esther, okay. Mudia. Guys, please share this video, guys. Please share. Share this video. Share. Yes, this one I'm Amuelega page. A page in Anagbe Cochet. You can package the rest. Packaging. Don't package your breast. Alright, a page in Anagbe Cochet. Follow the page. You're gonna hear better news if I hear Amuya Felega. The page when I am Walega. Woman, why did she? You guys are yours. Yeah. Kinder. Baby. Yeah. Yeah, Muelega. Omonoria. Stupid Omoria. Stupid Omoria. Emugu idiot no be beside. Wave gua. Omanu wave gbina na wave laugh. Wege laugh start uge laugh we. Us the same. Now go. Wesikodo. Ge laugh start uge laugh mugu idiot. Almost the same life. Yeah, because Esther not dead for Germany, frustration land. Are you enjoying Germany? You are not enjoying. Emo nu biele. Venene Germany or nu biele je Nigeria. Agboma ve ye ve okiya. Because if you're marrying, they don't know their real father. How can somebody who put money in your head? Person go carry money, put for your head. Do I don't marry. Hey, brother, where marry? This is a very word. After I go word revo. After we go word where I jay we do 12 well ki make money be another. But right now, ujo what there ijo da from where because you go magu we return again. Return the dari ni amujo. Return the diary they put for your heads. Hey, Ajawari Agbopiani wa. Oh man, no we go you they different Esther. Who put money for your head, they different. Who you carry picking give, they different. Oh my God, damn. Oh man, no more con different. Agbawa. Oh man, ikbe money kanu kwa. Waya for ba wa hin selfie. Ebu. Ave ebu. Eri ave mi e wo pe a o e o agba wa re o agba wede o agba wede atabu fe dogo le wa she bitina amesun wa she. Are you guys afraid? Don't afraid. Follow the page, share the page, share them. Are they here? Who are you to stop me? You can stop me. Yeah, let's die here. Agbawene. Is the best side of Europe? Is the best side that Agbawene? Yes. Guys, share this video. After this play music, we started. Yes, on our page in Anagbe Cochet. Package your destiny. Package the rest. You want me to package here? I've already packaged in it. If you want me to see put another one, John, I put them. Not this time. No problem. And where I package video. Amaya, yeah. Tell them. Watch a video now. Carry am. All the blogger, I mean, I carry this video. It all says this page, it belongs to Mugu Idiot and Esther. You know. Ata move no go me agba wede o. Agba Mugu Idiot ide. Move no go me o. Agba wege we ya tota ya bere. O we baby chi. Tota ya mere baby. Agba we. Wọ́n ya gbèyègbè ẹ́ ti gbèyègbè ìjì bẹ́sàdì. Ìbẹ́sàdọ̀ bí ẹlẹ́. Usena muyoto ayo. Ise no. Onwa ge ibeje Nigeria we ajogwa. Iti avelele henwe. Iya mana fiya we oni ya we zese yo te Nigeria. No come here avelele. I do my own command. Public. Seriously. Are why I ra. Amwe yo to. Where I am where I yo to. They don't do your burial. What beer? Hell, no me na me viewers see. The viewers of Guala. If you are so Guala, if you are see we not go me. Una well done. I greet all of una. You see this message for those who be saying una no understand that girl where they call Esther so. Now be this our sister the same mother, the same father. They come from the same mother, the same father, you know. So Esther, and not say me ana Esther gwan. Rock mama gave any dovio bonwe. Very measure o wati me saga and beside. Any memoir day. All the topic who I want to carry on. Now topic will be saying, if I listen to you, I say where they go. The thing get where the place, the road be. Now go beat you come back. You understand where you are there, you economic you understand? But right now, mege where Esther ni meke wage where sister have information information on what belongs to where. How can a woman will be say your own sister, he take care of you, take care of pikin will be say no give you belly. Ke conductor ke ya wo mo ekonu e conductor ya segbe what a bike man, a bike, only bike. Now they say pregnant you, only bike. Oh no we go jou de different salo boy area bo veje area gmonje. We even didn't we bona we Germany we had total after we were let different South Africa yagbashawo ne uje Lagos yagbashawo uje Abidjan yagbashawo uje Boroko yagbashawo salopwa ula we ade Germany adegbe do shift anyway we even zose no we a mugu idiot no belly besadi a mugu idiot no belly besadi yagun oh we are lele zose as in you understand. A mugu idioti, me dear. Agbon mama we, or my man in a mugu idiot. And me understand that when I was safe. Wagova gerueva ni wagio ma with social media. Gorueva no lelo ruon bagbina with social media for seriously. Monu biele we bona. Who you bona for? Or donu biele na wawere wasadi. No biele jeda. Who na fia me call. Uwa nothing, uwa mana mina me vakota na call me bastard. If you not dream, see Avialele today, no call me Avialele. If you ever your life call me again, cut my call. I swear for no swear for you. You hear me? I swear for no swear for now. All the agberu them. They talk better thing, they'll come defend the way they'll take they distract them. Distract your enemy. If devil no go clap for you. Distract your head. If devil no go help you clap, idiot. Bon idiot them. Ni wata desin. Ime mwegbe na wa mwegbe page me na dakie. Ona mwelega page my people. Welcome to mwelega page. Me I no forget am mwelega page. You know understand? All the good news ya mu wa ya felega page na ijo. Ogwo gba wa no ma understand ya. Esther ne vinya tie eni edo we bu se worry a video we me be fo. Ogwo gbo e. Abia missy blood do BLS alo wa. Missy blood do BLS. Wet total wet receive no ya gba ogi biekani e. No father. There's no one you can call father. And you are living in Germany. You there among of them will be said that you're frustrated for Germany, yeah. The father of the children, where the father of the children? No father. E Germany agba orewe. Where it get Germany no do total wa amwe mate or tun we a bloody wa mu no ni no more da fun eye ran. Oni ojo je kesi nu where. Where given wa ya fe wa jerete agbomama na gbomero. Kugwe o yakere ne mugu idiot na gbomero I besa di wa biele fuevo. O wa no ma bie maso wa. Me maso wa ni wa bieli beside. I better not have picking that to have it beside that's a baby. Or that to have missy blood. That to have missy blood will be say and no fit tell my picking say this is your real father. Because fuck you. B fuck you. Everything all of the year warrior wewe. Saloba. Me we mete ve bashawo. Ashawo ve bashawo. Meve ni meve mase. Mele mi ni mase salobua. Megi we video. Ewo we yi avelele we do ashawo kera. Ovena dola wagbe. Esther. Ashawo nu gbe ve Lagos umaya abowa. So te ugu Ricardo ve Lagos ugu graduate in Ashawo ve Lagos. Una riote dona ya mweko. A conductor. What they call bike driver. Now he pregnant you. Now they give you belle. Uwe mwe ekobwe. First belle no mu kewe bo da fon we are in Nigeria. Odo no mu go ju ohun. Odo ni ove guwezi o no ja we adi o ewe bonujena. Ugurie Nigeria first visit una mweko ekonomu ari Nigeria da fon wonye wa joge gbe mani omone oge wa te amune o salobo agi ri o vere no vedola we gbe no wa wo dero o de amoso aro o de to amoso aro imere do tamu na we to de amoso aro anything at all no planning you are mugu idiot anything wanna plan against your sister. Wajun we bi eku emi. Wajun we ya vio Esther. Ivi agboko. Awaze. Owo wa gi agun for ri. O wa gi agun me die mi agun. Avielele agun. Avielele mo. Are you living in Germany? Locate me. You know my address na Willy Brand. Go to Munich. Na Willy Brand the fences. For message that West. Finally, you go see an Igwe blue and black. I'll beat you, Igma Yagwe. Oh, I don't know, Messigma, Nemogi Mele. Igma Yagwe. Our bell, our shower, prostate. Who see an ass? You even they give that idiot, Mugu idiot. Whether they fuck, what in neighbors they fuck, they go for inside room. No more marriage, you no more than I treat two way. You be doing Ladia. We do a go for seriously? Where is he? If you are say mugu idiot, where is he? Ereruwa. Abi ereruwa magba. Ereruwa gba. wanna go 100 years to 100 years, a year to a year. He go they carry people matter they come. You don't go carry your matter come. Your matter, I come me te put your husband for prison. Where Avialele they say put your husband for prison. Una no go ask him question. Una no get question to ask him. Oh, that ibele. Ovie koni ni ya muakejo ni ake ni ya ti webu. Ake ovie kona he draw any. Why no ro eko? He dey drink what is they call her magic tea. You guys come and buy magic tea. Wanna belga money magic tea. Egbagbo ma who wa viewer say a mugu idiot. Egbagbo ma who wa na viewer say mugu idiot, and you guys are see my viewers. Get away, go and meet the mugu idiot. Because meti alele gbama bu wa here. No. Oh, what ale nevi no gbama. Ale nevi no gbama tu wa me ni ya ka. Ale nevi no gbama run for the thing that batty where they come close, where one can do you something. Run for that thing. I won't not be way. Emugu idiot no wa. Uwume record abi. There is no any of your record. Umiamia who send him a record yokba. Umiamia who send him a record. Nu yat your bo no man egg be no benu eve Nigeria. Benu no ya mwe bog be vie. You forget say you send me that recording. Don't worry. A record we ni a voice we ni vie wo mami ekbe ladiani. Mi ami ekbe ladian. Ege a segene. You understand? Mi ami ekbe ladian ege a segene. No win your Jennifer. Uwu vinyate Esther. Ote Jennifer. Oh him. My dear. Okay ke nute tota no reason laugh away. Reason laugh away. Because the life away they miserable, my dear. Or they miserable. E moya fe no bielenia. No single father, no responsible one father. And you are still there distracting on other people where be say they never even plan to disgrace themselves just the way you disgrace yourself. Uwe eke ya fe no irote Germany ya fe o wene. Here here no ade boys is on ro wa me call you because I dey see many of una carry carello they come my house. So the security go they ask me this one I Avialele. Do you know this girl? Is he living here? I call they say me don't know whether they live here or people want go me they call they give me because now let me wanna critical of this nah be idiot people. I will not me. And go yeah. Emugu idiot what the magua. I best children will be a year to a year. Enya yari ukbo backbo. Agari ukbo backbo. Weti muya la dian where. Happy birthday to my son no. E betu u congrats Evanibu. U post video Evanibu. Weti post go be where? Weti post a picture be where? No. Because you barely best what they go. Now you they call people best way no born. What they tell mazin. Listen, ni mi aya wumi. Ni aya wumi. A woman ne. A span no mama. A span I best children ya la or better be a lekua. You understand? A woman best children or better be a lekua. One ma be a maso wiver. Guys, viewers, stay Esther to go and return that diary they put for her head. Esther, a diary ni amujo uni, igo ni amujo uni ya return because bi ave mu go juo. Bi no mu go juo mu ekonu mi teme kweni hinia. Wo be do agun a. Wo be mwe mate manewa fori. Udo mwe mate bloody we no mave. Negbe gbagbo mave oho. No dafon ran. No mo dafon ye ran. Na wa for nasha. Na wa for wire road. Evagbon. Evagbon ave agun. Evan ni okeke no gun. You guys I tire o. I fear for some people. I fear for now. I fear. Wagwa wenera wune. Wa congratulate when we bury our derio. Eruwa wune we are in Nigeria mugu idiot. Are in Nigeria? Avialele family hewe. Mota. Avialele family. Inya hewe. Inya happy way. No need. We are watching we flight we hotel Lagos ni Inya wa happy we mu we jimoto. No need no ya pay tazino mu we ariotedo. Hawa. Inya wa happy we mana fia wo eti wonwa. Inya mana fia wo eti wonwa mugu idiot. Mumu. Guys, and I call the enter inside them. I share this video. Hello? Hello? Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Okay. No problem. Esther Osifo. Joy. Imeti wewe page mena. Mate we abi. Bet una adzi. Una mwera ka una riogi lele nika wa. Wa give na go zuo won. You cannot comment again. Keep looking like idiot. Guys, the girl why they talk about na Esther Osifo. Esther Osifo. Iya weru return nigo no Sifo muju. Return uwe no ve return Ave kokobiri foka. Ave sigo mothers ni owo abo ejemni. Wo we gun awuwe bu. Uwa only uwe ya mwe mata gie wo espe. Ove owo ave spe wo doni. Amana rige mone ige mono ya gba oge mo akane okwo no you are no man you the proud say yes you get 4 children. I get 4 children. I get 4 children. No problem. Do you know how to bath those 4 children? Body odo no iragbon no revi. Orinyagbe. Why ye cream ya plaster destiny? Why ye cream ya plaster ya? Odo no ragbon no revi orinya fun oreva na oreva. Orikinegbiyan ya fe. Who ware la ni money tonight? 4 boys in Ubiele arrive. Arrive. Okay, ya to be ya lakoni ya leve wa gbe o. Ave idioti. Wa gun awugwe bunu na ewe mi ya fe nuta ya fe ginawe. Everything. Evi ya fe nu wata wugwe bu o ginawe. Uladian eye to eye wa goru on pagun. The person or magu egun. Who get out? Found another story to talk because you have no another story. Okay, Venutajina, we're not more than from wedge prison. What do I advise many mistake you what do? What? Because a topic of error ne mugu idiot mugiwa. There's no topic. Oh, what do magua? Who do we know what dog women? What's your advice, man? Who barely beside Who do advise when he made do mweko ni barely beside when we are biele. I better you live to no burn yourself. I better you stay like that and not go burn. Wag belga wag mo avi idiot. Avi beside in egbe ma oho. When Esther egbagbo ma oho. Awe take be gbagbo oho. E monu biele ubiene bi si. Wa biele wa nene ya fe yo to ma gwa we. Oh ma gwa we. Ewe boji na ejem nuji. Ya mere document nwe. Adobori inyari document nwe ne. What's on TV if you were nuwa we go ni ya paki nu ene jama paki nu avie ni hivagbon E payan wa paki go no because u biele vuran vurinya vera. E mone vera u biele. Wa vinya de ke se jama do bo we viene ne mo wo bu we bu sefi. Inyari agbon no mania. They want to help those children. Because who made your bon nu jene money? Osman snasha. Uwe ya woda fere oni mave bad yo. Jesus. Avielele. Iya woda fere. Ya ve do ya u. Ive when we use remeni me make bave vanire. I'll come carry belle for another person husband. My own husband, they different, my dear. My dear people. Now wise. Men are wise. You see this my page. Ya mu welega. Kuweke mugu idiot. Ya mu walega we page na. Ya mu walega. Wa. Una help. You guys, una no help anybody. E mugu just ala them every day. Wa igwala ogwale viewers ana gbo e wagbon. E viewers ana gbo e wagbon. Nene viewers ni nu wana ju wa bia hwe ne problem no social media na so bovi ruwa. No na so bovi ruwa wa akpo boyo ewe no radon. E radon ne destiny wa gbe o. E radon ne destiny wa. What if a total wa ikene e viewers we na wa gberi ededema ikene e presenter sina inwe wa we me love mugu idiot na ikene wa gberi e ma ni we advice you guys una no fit advise am. Una no fit talk to am. See all the women the way they talk for social media. Which one don't put her husband for prison? Which person where don't put your husband for prison? Where give your husband useless life? Which person? No. Nobody. Pass the mugu idiot. Only why the popcorn. Why internet to why every day why ya de. Nelue internet to why nelue wifi. Every day why ya del internet. Where they buy Voda internet. Every blessed day because you want to watch mugu idiot. You know go reason your head. Oh man, wag idiot where ya mae. Wait 2021 ahian laona. Wanige have idiot people. Wag idiot people. Why they believe it where anything as in no solo boy we man a man ni or a sister ni here the next year whenever you are so here because Egbagbo ma okuwa. Egbagbo ma okuwa. Awewe no zuo ni nia. Why jo yakbo bojo I ma believe you what yaswo. What a man no more topic already. There's a lot of topic we need to hear for social media. What a man no more topic already. No vessel what need do man no vessel what. If you want see why you guys watching? Why not they watch people? When this person go they carry only one person matter they come. Carry only one person matter they come. I don't want to learn. I don't want to learn. Tell me. You guys cannot learn. Una no fit learn. God forbid. Ereru wa magba. Ereru wa magba. Atege manave ya. Also, they believe from drama. When you are watching drama, you know the way your life will be. You know the way you take they move your life. You know the way you take they do something. But a lot of people, who know they watch saga. The time when I supposed to they watch movie, make movie they give una some sense. Una not they watch am. Una they watch saga where be say no go give una better advice. He no go advice una good. He go they carry una they go backward. Na use una head. Why use the a small message in what you get. No win your Esther the be mugu idiot. A message in what you give one hina. Just they expect me every blessed day. Every blessed day. Ya mu ele gabiwa. E mugu idiot we voice we ragbona my we talk emidi. Oh, si we no red no ritali no ana bibua ku we kene no si we no ritali no ana bibua wagbo. Where we have not have a buwe. Where we have not have a buwe. Do you want me to play some record? Do you want me to play some record? You say you no get record. Seriously? A record the voice when we are or bogwan in Nigeria. I have everything. Ahirije mi. Ahirije magbo. Here away. Ahirigbe. Avelele hiri. Ieti hiri. We mi ahirina. Ogun ogbijue. Wa afiyan wo. Ave wobi no me negbe. Esther, wajun we bie hwe mi. E plani danu mene iwawe. E plani ni ohin agbo. Ogbo egbe money. E money no ma eti ya gieri ya meya. Those children, they better die is more better because the life where they live now, just like already they live a life. Almost a life in the money we're living now. Almost a life in the money live. How can the more waragmo? Iya me eriyan. They believe say no put money for their mama and not be their papa. If you are you guys sleeping. Una they sleep. And the same children. You see they carry kokobiri for Germany here, they fuck for their present. They do for their present. Hey, oh damn it. Oh, Connie, what damn it? What did you get? Mammy, no, ya tell me nowhere. We're not bashawo neveya. We tell my shawo. Me mag bashawo ve Legosi. Me maje kokobiri city. Me maje Spain, maje France, maje different country. Italy okpa kamena wa mogi melega. Italy na mogo melega. Ah! Wave. O wa viele lego we bashawo ne. Wa bege la fu wa ito de miserable. Miserable. No wa bashawo. No wa biele de different me salo. A different me ve different me. Odere Osman snasha. Eri nene mugu idioti wewe. Ema ya fe no ve woni wuga we banina. Osman snasha. All the men where they fuck you for inside that room, they get wife. They be responsible men. Only no when you ga live a responsible man is a married man. But umwe wa fikie umiamia we awe to ohuoni no biani mare muju no biani rie yo wa we to ohuoni mo biani omo ejega uge mi oda fere no ao uge eta me mena we avielele ro pa kan we kia we u ni agun ogbeju e ijo ayara gbon manara gbon ya le imi wiwa era ve le imi wiwa in fact ima adi have a better vedero me iya amwe coffee re a coffee re all disappear to her. You never see anything. Disappear to her, a coffee ra disappear. I don't know, Sha. Where person go? You call person. I dey cut una call. You call me again, I cut your call. Go agbo e. Oh, go agbo. If they send you call, go agbo e. Ya agbo de te na you to go agbo e. Idiot. Ebo mugusi. Where is in the life away? Oh, Donnie no ya we wugani. All those people where they come, they knock. Iyani ya we wuga. Iya ve go where is in the life away. I get boyfriend. Iya no where that boyfriend where you get, is it the father of the children? No father. Even the children, they ya ma ve riyan. Missing blood in where biele ni ma riyan wa o. Aba iwe. If you start hearing riyan wa ba bege life wa evana miserable life in we living. I was zuo. Ave kokobiri foka. Kokobiri do me, baby, shit my womb. Where a bremine meswe solo. Uwewe, a mugu idiot uwewe. Or social media, I swear. A pen to wear a social media nesha. Only sawene twain or social media. Echo any ni amwa hejini. Or social media ne. Umanitana. Or social media ne. Ugwan gbegbeju ozuo ebu ave mani o wa manu wegbina nani we nota who nota okay agbina no man you need to ask that person question we nota we my sister ekenu wegbederie na Emma because we offended what started the problem we nota wa bibuwa avozuo Esther return the bride price with the bride price they put for your head. Return the money where they put for your head. Return ogba agbon. Return amu go ju ohun mo ya fe nu biele no o ma ve odere una sodo we ai una ya bi on dere hivi agbon. If you asavielele Warizin. Ma ya fe no ladian wu webu okeke na akpobo lele. Iye me ni atamu wa. Okay, just who share a live video almost 10 for just one day. Who will me better verse ladian wo. Who me verse no ya gba ogoda fun we. Una te I useless woman. Umi avesi no ya gba ogoda fun we because so everyone we wash ni owo do magbuyan. Everyone we wash ni they cannot tell you how to take care of your husband because iya me na ya gba ogoda fin ya o se ne si mani na we amwekia ni ajugwa da o wa meti lu na be mu igo jo o so re igo na muji yan ugo pologbe abi return igo na muju ohun gbe o agbon we no ve return igo na muju ohun. I only blame some boys who dey Germany here because I want tell una we be boys for Germany. Una we be boys. You guys are living in Munich here. Oshborg, what did they call them? I know. Germany is very fucking big. I pity for una life because mani gbashawo ke Nigeria rene. Ana lale Abidjan. Ana lale Morocco. Ana lale Isalobwa. Senegal na gbashawo ura Senegal ya gbashawo. Una lele a different part of the country. Ula Italy. I even shifted destiny when in Italy. Ugbe ari France. France when ye kokobiri wa ya win awodoni kokobiri reve kokobiri. Ami feko ibo wodoni. A black you know ya weni ya ini ya eriono. Eri ni agiyan je yan wo odun yan be na ye be na ge okoni ge ni na gwe ibi an sa ya labo ibi an sa wa lagbo ko ni ari mi yan repian eri ni agiyan je bi France una ya wo ge France gbe adie je Germany mekata o se jamais here ti fure jamais here ti de okay e jamais hu mi jamais get sickness wey they call Emi ave peripe ejama homi. Ejama homi mare peripe ejama homi because evanegbe oko ke evanegbe ma oko ne ejama wa kun yewo na. Ererugwa wa discourage. Ererugwa o scatter because why ti reason say because jama the pack money they give una. Una no feel reason where how you go just sit down. Before 2 weeks they don't give you kindergates. Before extra 2 weeks again they don't pay you the normal money. Miserable life in wa live wa gbeo ave kokobiri master kokobiri foka ave idiot eva ni book graduate in a book bashawo wa ba ye graduate wa ye wa be say be ashawo ave prostate Esther will be prostitute Esther you be ashawo you give birth to a money will give back to him even at money because ukbashawo na biele e condom ya fe no gbele ju egbe vegeni o ya biele money okeke the money te via resist here ti resist because mi ave condom ori yarere mi ave condom vinyari ogwa ya ka ya tekenu vie igo na muju ongwa return it. Let that man dey free for life. May just free. May that man go find better woman we go marry because very major it ultimately bia iya doriye ohwo negbe ma ohwo na shawo amara ohwo na shawo yogwa if you warere ya afianwo if you teme no biarere igi agiwa kwa wa gbe wa shawo e prostate monu biele o man no mwigo juon o nya monu biele me die egbo ma wugo te keke no gun awuwo ebun me no wa ohun asize wa ohun awuwa be mugu idiot mo me get you one I keep quiet because ogi mereri me o be no je ede dala erere la merere because o la merere well ya segbe mugu idiot amebie nobody born of a man or woman no here to stop him ever la merere wazua iwakotana iweti ari enu ekere o we here no ya mu wele gabe page me e page mu elega na ya mu walega every day wano if you as to follow this page every blessed day. If I no quick come out, I go come at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock when they see me. For Mugu idiot and this sister who will not vex. This will not vex Esther, aka you live in Germany, single mom. Single mama. E kokopiri ya feya wale gane. E kampinu wejeni. Ema no e uwe wani wa monsalo. Magbag bima we atafo. Avialili afa wa. Uwa kewe gbime wa imi akafa wa. We. Wa meti kukpe kenoroto. Wa eti we memiro. Ba. Imi akafa wa ne. Ya afa wa ya ariye efani juwanisha. Ya afa wa idiot ave bon mugosi ave moi why to sort of reason in life wa me if a reason when me wa be say na awe isigban I me reason so ya wa me ni gban junu saloboa how me ni asigban ko saloboa who say I smoke igbo ege agbagbo mad the person okay na if we give CV as your di for it we understand pro Agumeju no veta we gi see the gbe ya dore. And emi ni ka veta we salo bo agu ya digbana. No. You understand? Very major on your back kamenaria. Me wo da fere. Mugu idiot. Uwe ni no kekeni. Ovek benu ya mwe ya merese. No ya tota ya mere. Ureva ni. Wa mwe miameni ya fehia. Also menata muwae. Even so I la down with the hook up. They want hook you up. As in somebody want hook you up. You don't go look that person where want to hook you up. Look that person, look the man where want hook you up with. Are they care winner? Are they care? Are they small they come out to inside penis? Imagine. How can a woman where they put money for your head, my viewers? That kind of woman so. Money where they put for your head, you never go return the money where they for your head. Though. You carry belly for another man, they bonbon for another man. Man where you they born for now, another married man. Well, what's a man? You leave your husband. You go they snatch another person your husband. Is that life? Now you they talk for public. You not go get shame. You don't get shame. You don't get shame. They say go smoke and not get shame. I shall get shame. But you will be snatcher, husband snatcher. You suppose get shame. Yes. Husband snatcher suppose get shame. If you ask me. Husband snatcher. You not supposed get shame. I don't get shame. They pay me. Say. People will be say, they're not rich to talk for public. Now, then what can they talk? You now will be say, you even better pass that person where they do live video. Me not there for husbands. I'm a single girl, man. Single girl, I can fuck anything fuckable. That's why I say it there for, It there for, yeah. I can fuck him. I be single girl. You say you married woman, you pass me for many things, man. You pass me for many things. You the reason where. You the reason you want to take care of your husband, your children. You the reason the way you want to arrange life for your family. But me, only way tell the reason but the reason picky why I born for Nigeria. Reason my younger ones and my senior brother join them. Finish. Wait till what is the join? I no get blabber why the reason. I no get another person dick why the reason. I don't feel sit down make the reason or another person dick. For waiting. Me I know they rush that one. I know they rush am. Hear me so read my lips. I know they rush person dick. Idiot people. Now you want call the talk for public. All the money. No wonder single fathers they full Germany. No wonder single fathers that full Germany. Because many of una make many single father no reason where. They know the reason where because how can you go get better wife? You go say your wife now because you don't get 2 children again. That time we never get picking. That person a better person, no. You don't get 2 children and not be better person. Then you can go find who born extra 2 children or 3 children outside. Where be say not be you, he born am for. Now that kind one you can value. Pass. He there for my ass here now. He there just the way you be so. He there for my ass here. You don't carry belly, Shakara don't end. All of them for my ass here don't carry belly. They don't carry belly. And people will give the belly and single fathers them. Single fathers, the person where they give, where they marry, they different. who they can't give belle for my ass here different. Now una go come out for public they talk. As well say you, Esther, you they live for Germany here, you supposed to shut up. You supposed Sazito. You supposed to shut up. You supposed carry your head, carry and come down. May you plan better life for your children, because those children don't get life again. Those children, they don't have life again. No life, man. Those children don't get life again. Money given life. Image wire zere. I dey use my house here. Now wetin me see for life. Now I take the talk to now for live video why they talk. Wetin me don't see for this my house here. I dey use until they make parable for now. Una see con they write rubbish for me. The way be say they don't fit get anything to make parable for now. They don't fit tell now wetin una go the reason. Now those ones now go value pass. Why una life they miserable? Why? Ashawo no regime. Ashawo. Embarrass people. Even the person where they put ring for your hand, you live for Germany, you be prostate, you be ashawo. If you know that mug of the way they go to the ring, go they also, you be ashawo where they do outside of the house. Because many security where they carry, they follow everywhere so that they fuck una. They fuck una. Security where government carry come make on they work, they fuck una. How na life want it better? When no regime uhie ve zose una ve azose oma oni no ve mo da fun ye gan. Ona ye ve na ge. Ye useless woman o wodo magua. No ya bione de odere. Ohia ve zose. Ora ya zoso zuo. No barely beside the yevo. No ya more da fun ye prison. Why we beside for Europe? Na then they get money pass. But I no fit pray for my life. I better remain as I did so. That to boy beside picking. Mugu idiot have the children we get are before children, 4 boys we get now. Ibe. Yeah, Ibe, say, baby, Wag bell, go bijou. God for peace. I can never pray to be Ibesa. I not even pray. May I call bomb picky we be Ibesa. Do go boy. What go webu? Now you want to talk come out for public? Seriously? E go have me na avialele. Avialele me package. Avialele ne package. Me page me na package this do. Avialele ne package. Ya go abu webu ke kun kwa popo. Take sense. Take something from there. No reason say na Igbo smoker they talk to you. Sometimes reason I say Igbo smoker that they advise person well pass drunker. Hear me? I not be drunker. Mugu idiot na drunker. Hear me? You go come carry this kind of cup, come out now. You go tell na say na magic tea dey inside you yourself, mumu. You go believe say na magic tea na dey inside this cup, mumu. Mumu idiot them. Have money oh wa. Prostate. I don't tell you. Egbe have wo we. Only gbangu egunwane. We take be awo we. We are the Nigeria. I swear they go kill you if they no kill you. If they no kill you, no worry now. Body go inform you. You yourself you go know. Esther. Ejem no live ye. A frustration lands in no live ye na. You believe say now let the money where they pay you now go just help you. This land you are living is frustration land. All of us we are living frustration land because you are not working. You depend on the government's money. The useless money they are be paying, Abi. The useless money. Are you living fine? I live for Germany. Oh. Me, I live for Germany. Yeah. Are you living fine? You are not living fine. Se boni tie ni jwege o work ba ho ni bie. No ana jun we bie ho yin. No ana gbe o we no ve. Ozuo. Reason the life you were. Total reason the life you were. Look for as in find someone that will help you to reason well. Because Ojevina ule lo se hion se ni edio dag mama we. You know they tell you the way you supposed to they do. Run from that friend. Run from that bad friend, man. Run from that person. You don't want to run. You are still waiting. Who you they wait for? They wait for Avielele. Ogun boy. Ozuo e wo bi woman. Wana o wa agmo. No ana fian wo. E wo we gwale man no ave ya lele wo so na we mugu idiot wa lele ya wo se. E mugu idiot wa lele ya wo se. Wu lo e ya fe fone. Iyan gba wa ne. Iyan gba we ne. Ivo ekia ya fe no ro e Germany gba. Iyan gba we ne. Ehwe mue. You are living Germany ya afa we wa. Ya afa we wori akwe atama we bonuje. A company nuje ni wa hwe. People will call me and I will put the number of that call. I'll put on there tomorrow. Percy go call me. May tell me the way your life take day for that camp where you did. Jesus. You not go reason your head. I very saying they camp. I very say baby a shower. The rest now they hide na secret. Now they hide down. Yeah, frustrated destiny. I go bring all of una to book. The time all of us they do that shara things. I will teach all of una. I will tell una. For those who be una live for Africa, una never fed do shara before. I go let una know what they call shara. Idiotic people. Ava shawo. Awo enough me. Smelly pekus. We no wear. Western sister. We are my sister. Your pekus is smelly. We not better. God forbid. Esa gbete we o. Ogbelete mu voni sawa go ve fi enu wa. Esa gbelete. Esa me mugu idiot gbelete wuwu we. Wa gbelete. Itami vi agbon vedere we. We no ya mu amere yuwu e ga agima we vedere. E ga agima we. Many of them they no believe. They say I have lele dosi talk again. They talk and talk wa. I dey tell una that day say see the way I take help this year girl. Una say no na talk abi no problem. It's all right. No trocopare. Me I no trocopare. Be me my love.
Jochen Schweizer. Jetzt online bestellen auf jochenschweizer.de.
Be me uwe sa wia. Yay! Eya gbete mwe chai. Eya gbelete mwe. Abiga me gbete mwe. Wa ya gbelete mwe. To salo bwa na go tura. Cha! Obe wa wo baba. Kada baba o. Cabeça. Oh na. O salopua. Viwoti gwenia. Ni amiegaje. No pin amo. Oko no gbete wakara. Ona ese tipo. Oko no gbete buwe. Omie nete gagbe. Egia. Waga mie nete gagbe mugu ite sasoma. Waga mie nete gagbe. Hey! Rosa. Ya oluya ire. Ekoko. Ya oluya ire. E mama. Chai. Ya oluya ire. Prostate. Ya oluya ire. Ese ti wu memi rogba. Ogaga tu eje o. Ona mwere ye muluku. me almost wo me almost no ma una ya ge osele ya wi yemugo udugba no mu ugbu e
Ugbo no fe ana owu o fe wu.
e wo ya goro ki o ah hey ugbo keke ugbo na yari agwari ade ugbo oge ugbo we no keke we na mu ya mere well, I rene nu dota mame. Eki oge. Eki na ya moto je prison. Eki oge nu weto. Eki na ya mi ododo. Aya smash odere. Eki nu wali to Germany. Eki nu wato shawo. Awa shawo kokopiri focus. Obe bawo papa. Kada papa, hey, kábíyèsí o. Ọgbẹ́tẹ̀ mú fóònù sàn. Nọ̀gọ̀gì mà. Ìwọ ọgbẹ́tẹ̀ mú e. Ọgbẹ́tẹ̀ mú fóònù sàn. Ẹ̀tẹ̀ ni ọ̀gì gbé e. Ẹ̀tẹ̀ ni ọ̀gà gbù ẹ̀. Kàsán wà fà. Nọ̀pọ̀ péré rẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ́ yìí gbé ọlọ́rìí ọ̀bí ugbó. Ọ̀dùgbò ọ̀híà ẹ̀ ara mi no dẹ́kun ẹ̀ wò dẹ́ adé mi no dẹ́kun ẹ̀ aṣáwó ọ̀dùwé no vex them smelly kpekus smelly toto when you don pour hot water for your kpekus reach. I remember saying na me dey teach you that time. I dey teach you because you don't know how to take care of yourself. You only know how to shook, but you don't know how to take care of yourself. Am I lying? I'm not fucking lying. Yeah, you only know how to do. You don't know how to take care of yourself. That is not good, man. And you they come out for public. Now to use the makeup, they make up. Maybe me ijo what bien or go bijoué. What bien? What many don't make up you go boy. Before you guys call me for saga, I not be makeup artist. I not there for makeup things. As I did so, I love myself. You know understand? If you be like me now, come out like this. I do where I sing. Why I wear? Who I sing because eke I do a fianyegbe me. Ege who say you what so? Wa fianyegbe. You not fit take care of your children. You don't fit give them better life because fianyegbe ni we have fiani we we. Who we have fianyegbe we fiani we we. Any ave nware tin ave fianyegbe. Egbe no wa. Egbe no zua, egbe no bibua. Emugu idiot ye egbe we wa. Ogi do for that matter. Ogi do for that matter. Egbe we is ogi do. Oh we na wa we bury ni. Amwe rayo to era ale imi wiwa. Amwe rayo to. Era coffee all disappear to her. All disappear. If you not see that coffee that day, wani no amwe rajini, it go change to dust. Yes, people go change that to dust. In Nigeria, ni on your second world war. All that gbe sunu tedoni. Ave bon mugus, bon idiot. You dey here now, they parabolate, they talk, they do any based on saying European and not be where they carry, they go meet person, plaster person here, carry acid now, you're pouring for person here. Person if we go for prison, the ticket in Wariowa. Major wa, ege messing me ayari owa. And beside, The dictionary gogi me we medie Nigeria baba na we worry. E will run no pick you at the airport. People they will go pick you for airport. And I tell you one thing that day, remember to carry your children follow body. Because if you not carry those children follow body, I swear, now government go take care of the children. Government, they go take care of those children. And those children not go ever see their papa again. They not go even know the land where they for come even self. Our gbero ave bomugos. Abu we not ve. We not gbin. Emugu idiot we not gbin we. Kuwe kene nesta no be guan. Na igbagbon oko ero no godo egu ero. O godo ma gwesta. No we go do de different. Oh man we ya biele na de different. How can a person where they drive on my jeep go carry money, carry ring put for person yan, put money for person head. The don't prefer to go they follow the conductor a bike driver can't give you belly after way or magic put money for you. You don't see your life miserable. Oh my wow, and a lot in where we do dekun. You must see frustrate join the one way you frustrate. You can't frustrate for Germany because you are living in another country. You come to this German to come and frustrate you and your own. Because who a frustrated land or wajina number one frustration land. Now not this so not be German. Forget the idiot money where they give you now. You know they help. That money no they help you. It they help you. They buy pampers for your children. Tell me if you know they borrow some pampers for your neighbors where they tie your children. If they buy, now there you can't see money where blah boy another kokobiri you can't fuck you for where the children they see your life. Single mother for Germany. Walking out go and be. I just can't give you a small message for this man. I've more like a page so I can give you a small message. Guys, me not take the message. Me not take and go give her. He a mugu idiot. Me not let her know say the matter where it happen, where you start this night so between me and the Esther and the mugu idiot, it go finish for January 2022. May they better. January 2022. E page me na ya amu wa valega be page no wa gbe o. Awa gbe o. Ave bomugusi we not read them. Yes. Now me. I not say another person come. Now page we be saying they know they wear for shirts. As I did say you know like hey, wa ge nweme. Wa je nweme ya gbe kwa so lo boy ave ki ave pouvoir. You see life? Wa je nweme gbe kwa be go subscribe for my YouTube channel very important. Je nweme gbe kwa very only. Subscribe to my YouTube channel important, okay? I greet all of una. God go bless una. Guys, this kind of time tomorrow, I will be here again tomorrow. I'll still come for those two people because they need who want to talk to them. For that mugu idiot, he say he never see anybody where play your record. I get record concern the mugu idiot. Why go play for the mugu idiot? And the record where your sister, where your friend, where they live for Italy, the record where that one still play a bottom. I get everything for my phone to play for you, my dear. I get your own record where you said the whole world no go fit see your own record. I get that record and I go play on tomorrow. Guys, follow this page. Press the like. I greet all of you now. For those who never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Press the notification bell for you to notify anytime I upload a new video. And I thank all of you now. So now take come here today. For those who never share this video, please share the video. You get why? Follow this page. Tomorrow, you guys will see me here. You know, I don't always come to live video if I don't have any good topic to say. And if I don't have anything good topic to say, I only come to live video to come and make my dance, to do other things else, you know. Hello. Where is that? Ele agbonje ni ya. Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm. 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 Okay. Uh, uh. Well, beg if Tana, my people, eh? When on him? Esther no vie, Esther ne owohe emode osifo. I know you are not that man wife again. You need to return that bride price with that man put for your head. He go need a man muju won keke no return eh. We understand it now. Who are we we understand. Or e ma ve o we biele na. Ma beg nazen nwa notin umanazen esta no esta sifo umanazen nwa notin. Yes, if you not be wish you know they fly for night you know they fly. If you know they fly you for not just carry your own blood they disgrace am like this. If you know they fly you no go fit carry your own blood every day you dey tell person wey you wan even say na the mugu idiot wey no get another topic to talk. Na only that one you know wetin I wan tell you my dear ashawo, because we are one. Prostitute, prostate, you are a prostitute. Sigo mama me is irresponsible single mother me I'm responsible single mother. Responsible single mother because he might be on there. Me might be on there. What understand? He might be on there. What understand the mena? Whether they responsible single mother, the useless single mother in frustration single mother. Esther Sifo, frustration single mother now you be. Yes. See you and see the mugu idiot. We are just started. You see this message, so I want to give. Why I can't give you swear. Now just small one. We all new start time. You know understand? Tomorrow I see they come. At the rush they come. Not be saying. At the rush they come tomorrow. And the whole topic, una go hear many things about that mugu idiot tomorrow. Una go hear and see say his voice no dead the whole word. Your voice go come out of the hair tomorrow. He go dead the whole hair tomorrow. That. He go say how we know we are. How we know we are Sifo. Umanaze. If you are not a witch, you know they fly for nights. You hear witch, you know they fly, you be witch. Now me they tell you now say you be witch. Umanaze, wazo tuobo. Wazo bo, since how many years? Wazo vierobo. Nyoma sienuje jwo egbe. Oviere mame no ya sienuje jwo egbe. Because see here where we not deveki. We not where ade. As you dey call life, you say na asha where you want become. You don't want get responsible husband where you go born for. Say na useless. Now all the men for the whole world. Now you want the fuck. As you talk that thing, God answer the prayer. Now the prayer now they happen so. Now you see some people will be say the yours day. They go be reverend sister, they know the fuck. But you will now God give Toto. Yours there, they plaster and they go because the way Nigeria Nigeria webo neni ya. Ujeve plaster here. Hivi agbo. O kono eti frustrated da fun o dono we no adie webo. Una frustrated you frustrate that man come Europe you frustrate him. You think say na the European prick the way they fuck all the kokobiri prick there. Na go help you. He can never help you. You snatch my husband, you go die on top of that dick. If you snatch Avialele husband do that boyfriend, and they fuck him, you know say they fuck him. And you go snatch him. The day where you go shook your kwekus for my boyfriend dick, whoever I will there. On your jam kugbe. No daughter wey go fit operate am. Una go die. And they go bury una the same 6 feet. Now they go put una. Useless people. Have money oh wow. You know, I don't blame some guys, cha. I blame some ladies. Where be say, you know, say you be married woman. And you want even go fuck. The men them where they even they fuck una. In fact, I blame some men. How you go fuck woman where you get to picking? You go fuck woman where you get picking. Why you no ask her? Wetin do it, papa? What of that fuck where you want go fuck her? You go fuck and pele con enter, okay? Wetin you want talk? You go say, hey, God, oh, I for no belle don't enter. I for no make this person don't carry belle, oh. I for no do one. My dear, you go do one. You go carry belle. Tomorrow you go know say, why you would do even self? Not be me get that picking. Our bill. Have idiocy. Agbon nighty fure. Because even ve mugu idioti ragbona. Even ve Esther. Why ragbona na wajena. In fact, even ve Esther Gemini. Gemini can never cool down. Sigo mother a year to a year. Sigo mother go the rain. You guys need to base this Esther come up for this Germany. Wag base area Nigeria because a German ama fiti we my dear. Was here no kwesi go mother simana for wona. What was here? Undan no we ya fe yo wodore because we wodafiane ivere well inyagikun odafiya ya shit on there. My husband shit on me. I not do again. Now so disgrace na go enter your body. That disgrace go enter that your bekus, that your smelly bekus where you know they wash way. That disgrace go enter that your bekus. You see na? You are not the day where be say me aviele like talk amo. That disgrace go enter your bekus we ni. Ukbo we salopwa. Oh we have ukbo ni meti ebe disgrace in we. Wow, we not there. We not me. Hey. Avialele, only me, moi be, I love it. Only a packageable, package no cochette, package yourself no cochette. You know understand the new page. Video, try and go kill your papa there, idiot. Idiot, mugu idiot. Because everywhere we never saw you a lagmo we were. A man ye me bo me we no degbe ya ati agbo because all degbere. All na big bomb on one way. Egbagbo eve hiave oho o degbe ve ju we bi ekho emi wo degbe adi agbo have a family no wa a family diosi because a family we met you we totally yangu we gwan we ovije okay ke no hiarie na ema e ke no ma ke no hiarie e me pa ni atamo sister right down because we go gian e mo me passport I beside no biele na me should get passport only passport they say me they break come and breed the destiny of those children. Bring the destiny of those children out of the social media. Idiot. Hey, destiny. Bring the destiny of the children. Bring them come out. Say, yes, this is my children. Avialele say, bring my children. You don't say, that brother way born that day. If you don't want bring your pikin, as I can tell her, say, bring your pikin. I want congratulate you. Bring your pikin. The whole world now can't shut up. Bring your Ibesa pikin. And if you don't bring that your Ibesa children come out for social media, I swear, you go cut ground by yourself. You bury yourself. You see, why are you over your big boy? Why you over your big boy? He tell we here I not play record. No worry, tomorrow. I have a lot to tell you tomorrow. I will come early tomorrow. Early. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. Oh my God. I will come early tomorrow. Why we major shoshi? Eneti doto me wa hiagmo yerere me. Oga si agmo yerere me. You see am. Neti doto pikin. Neti we me gwa agmo me tem. Neti doto ona ediwe wa. Pikin. Neti doctor Pikin wagbeo have buebu can see vision for you. Even no here have 2021 ya etitama we ve na or see any me aya me ya gie. I no complete to now let me when I come live. Ask people they will tell you. Idiotic people have money wa have bon mugosi have money to sani reason. Why reason say O zame we mene obi o ha 28 years eri ran. O sene January Salova. Everybody walk over the bow. January 1st is my birthday, guys. Celebrate with me. Ishe me leve ayek bokweri wa make my ade. You are open a live here wa sigma. If you don't know how to smoke, don't come to my house. And so it be like go and drink for my birthday. And so it be that a coronavirus where you wa me understand. Or wa go me and celebrate every social media issue. Ije go agba wa no understanding. Ogbe mugu idiocy because we don't understand. You can never understand for this life. You not fit. How you want to understand? You not fit. You don't fit understand for this life because the life not done de miserable for you. Eken we are wala o we gualo. And ekeni wa diale. Hello? Aqui. Eu. Oh my, that way okay. That way yo. Ida gweri jo. O idiot not o idiot did that gweri yo. Let's all right that way. I'm we are. We are did I very end of what? Ave bommugos. Uwe mugu. Uwe mugu idiot de ba westa. Yak ben one. A mugu idiot uwe westa. Uwa we are smelly quekos them. Ije. Always setting. Oh, I have love.
2018
Wow.
selbst erhalten. Ich hätte nie für möglich gehalten, dass es mich dann dieses
O salopo alogo tua. Obe mawo papa. Kada papa. Kabiyesi. Emugu idioti gbete muwe. Oh na. Ugbelete. Si wọ́n ti kweniyan. Ni amiegaje. Hey. Nọgbìyànmó. Oko náà gbẹ̀tẹ̀ wá kára. Ọ̀nà ẹsẹ̀ ti pòpọ̀ máa rọgbà. Oko náà gbẹ̀tẹ̀ búwé. Ọmọ ẹ̀nẹ́ ti gbẹ̀. Eya. Wàgá mi ẹ̀nẹ́ tẹ̀ ga gbé. Wàsọ́wàfà. Wàgá mi ẹ̀nẹ́ tẹ̀ ga gbé. Bọ̀dá. Ìyàwó náà. Ẹgbòho. Ìyá olùyà gẹ́gẹ́ o. Mama. Ìyá olùyà gẹ́gẹ́. Ìwà rẹ̀ gbé pàkẹ́kà. Ìyá olùyà gẹ́gẹ́. Olùyà gẹ́gẹ́ ni. Ẹsẹ̀ tí wù mẹ́mí rọ̀gbà. Wọ́n mú kú idiot. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀wẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹ pùlùkù. Mẹ́ọ̀mọ̀ sùwà. Mẹ́ọ̀mọ̀ náà máa ò náà yá gẹ́. Ṣáà ọ̀sẹ̀ lẹ́gà wíyẹ̀ mú bọ́. Yemugbo. Dugbanu mu. Mugu idiot. Wọ́n mú gbónú wọ́n ṣe. Ugbe kẹ̀kẹ́. Ugbo ṣáwó. Ugbo na yari awari ate. Ugbo na ya mi ondere. Awo ave ondere. Osma snatches. Osenega wiye. Ye dweki. Dweki. Eki yo. Owu ologba wu. voy a agarrar que Wakwakinutona, Welarenu Dotama, and when we go idiot. Ekinu ya sọ̀rọ̀ ní ọ̀dọ̀ àlẹ́ lọ. Esther, husband snatcher. Egi agbẹ̀tẹ̀ wé. Ọ̀sẹ̀dẹ́gẹ̀ gbẹ̀nẹ̀tẹ̀ bá kára. Abẹ́gẹ̀ mẹ́gbẹ̀tẹ̀ wé. Ṣáà wáyà gbẹ̀lẹ̀tẹ̀ wó bòdì. Ọ̀sàlẹ̀ padà gọ̀tà. Ọbẹ̀ bàwọ̀ bàbù. Bàbá. Kábíyèsí o. Ọgbẹ́tẹ̀ bú fóònù sàn. Wọ́n. Ìwọ ọgbẹ́tẹ̀ bú ẹ̀. Ugbẹ́tẹ̀ bú fóònù sàn mọ́. Tẹ́ni orí gbé ẹ̀. Ẹ̀tẹ́ni ọ̀gá gbó ẹ̀. Kà sọ́wọ́ àfọ̀n. Amú ẹ̀ àgbúwọ̀. Ọ̀nà àríọ̀ bí gbó. Ọ̀dùgbò ọ̀kíyà. Ọ̀rísùgbò. Ọlámùwí ti yìn. Ọlákùnwí tètè gbé. Ọba náà gbogbo iṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ọ̀nà tó ta yìí bá e. Èké náà tó ta yìí bá e. Ìmọ̀ tí gẹ́dùn náà yà ẹrù ẹ̀. Nà gbogbo rẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ayọ̀rẹ́. Nọ́wí yẹn báyẹ̀ abialele ẹ̀gọ́ tẹ̀. Ọ̀sẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ẹgbẹ́ náà tẹ̀ máa kàràtà. Àrẹ́gẹ́ àmẹ́gbẹ̀tẹ̀ wé. Wàyà gbẹ̀lẹ́tẹ̀ mú fóònù. Ó sàlọ́bù anáwó tún wà. Ọbẹ̀ bàwọ̀ bàbà. Kádàkádà bàbá o. Kábíyèsí o. Kábíyèsí bàbá kábíyèsí. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ uwe wàwíà. Imeyeve guana uwe manisu wàwíà. Uwu wàwíà. Wakwekbeji. You guys are not washing. Wagbese. Eteno salobo etete no salobo arieju uwa. Only ever eten wagbe because you guys are not maintaining it. That is why I close. The re-eten wagbe. Oh we are. Eya fe pusa. Oh my word. Eya fe we are. Wana wene we are gbeo. Uwe mugu idioti we are. Uwe mugu idioti we are. Arege amegbete we. Waya gbelete mu foni. Osalobo anago tuwa. Obe bawo bamu. Kada baba. Kábíyèsí. Nọ́ọ̀bẹ. Oh na. Bí wọ́n ti gbẹ̀ níyàn ṣáàyè. Bí wọ́n ti gbẹ̀ níyàn. Níyàn mẹ́gáyé. Nọ́ọ̀gbé àmọ́ o. Òpó lọ́gbẹ̀tẹ̀ wá kára. Ọ̀dà sí. Òpó lọ́gbẹ̀tẹ̀ bùwé. Ọmọ ẹlẹ́tẹ̀ ga gbé. Eya. Wàrà mi ẹlẹ́tẹ̀ ga gbé. Basọ́wọ́ àfọ̀. Wàrà mi ẹlẹ́tẹ̀ ga gbé mugu idiot. Wà ònú ya gẹ̀rẹ́. Ẹ̀gẹ̀ wẹ̀lẹ́ pé. Ìyá ònú ya gẹ̀rẹ́ o. Mama. Ìyá ònú ya gẹ̀rẹ́. Ìyá yẹn gbé kwa kẹ́kà. Ìyá ònú ya gẹ̀rẹ́ o. Ònú ya gẹ̀rẹ́ ni. Ẹsẹ̀ tí mo rẹ̀ ní rọ̀gbà. Ògàgà tú èjé o. Ọ̀nà ẹ̀wẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹ bùlùkù. Mẹ́wọ̀ sùn. Mẹ́wọ̀ náà ọ̀nà ya gẹ̀rẹ́. Cháì. Ìṣe uwe wíà. Àwù ọlọ́gbọ̀n. Cháì. Ààrẹ kọ̀kọ̀ bírí fọ́ọ̀kà. eke. Ugbota. Ugbo na yari agwari ade. Ugbo. Ugi hierwe. Ugbo oge. Chai. Osenega wi. Tweki deki nuzo eki oge. Ogwado magwa we. Eki oge eki nu yari wo we yo wodori. Eki nu yari ya evani kungo wodzo. Eki nu ya silinya la tiani ya hiesi gomo dasi wo ejemni. Deki nu do magwa we ubiele vuri no father no responsible father. Sigo mama. They Doshna the man stop ya what that Doshna die. Yes, all the useless single mothers. We don't fucking need single mothers again. Idiot people. Yeah, I said I get better makara. I get better way. Why I be let them move? Oh, salo kwa no go to. Obeba wo baba kada baba kábíyèsí o no be ogbete funi so no bima iwo ogbete we ugbete eteni ori gwe kaso wa
no cooperame
Onari obiugbo odugbo ya gberi mewa ni ya gikpo pe ya gbe wa ni wa gbera mewa ni wa gbije mewa ni wa gikpo pe ya yi se ya gikpo pa ona wo ni agbo gbo wa gbon ogu isago ebo no wo we okin gbe no gbije o we gbo wa vana bai wa ni gbe ma ko ni social media egbe ma ko wa ti total wa resist no Adelele cannot stay and be watching those idiots. I can't. I don't feel they watch those idiot people. You know? I don't feel stay they watch those idiot people. No, it cannot happen. I need to say no to this rubbish. No! Emugu idiot. Now just one message. Now weka eme ya isha. We maka eme. Weka eme. We be agogo we periods in ibu save. Belegeda no be awa avie. You go cry. Wow, maybe social media. You go cry. You never see anything. You know you cannot mention my name. You know fit. They not born you where to even mention my name for your platform. It no work. You understand? They no even born you and they no fit born you. He show because then where then we are what who we are turn we are big you kill yourself by yourself. No worry. My good viewers, I love you guys so much. I beg me now not forget and follow the page. Now second available better more legal page now you see so. You don't be the available one I've had watch before. This one now more legal page. Package the rest place, no package your breast. I wear corset for this page. You know understand? You already see me wear now. I wear corset for this page. Now only the page where be say yes. For the arrange the eye tester because if I can't wear corset, I can't be like say the corset they disturb me. Now make I want bring and come out now for them to know say I be woman where be say I don't breastfeed pikin. I not be 1 month a day breastfeed pikin no. Me now use your head. Ave single mother see. Esther, where a mugu idiots. Today, now this topic between me and you and mugu idiots. Now today starts. See January 2022. Not be this January now 2021. January 2022. I swear, as I they complete 29 years, now I go live now without that thing. See this. 28 years, so I go use una for the 2028 years. 2028 2028 years ago, I don't understand how it's yours. Bambugus, I went on where I have smelly bekus, one violele. I don't complete soon. I'll let me one be. Or who kill your papa there? Who boy you? They boy you. Idiot woman. Everywhere we would no good beru whenever sevi. We met your woman where we are mere. Who met your one we are mere? Oh, when I go one who see so many natic bigidi. What time your father died in America? Your father died in America, natic bigidi. They take the destiny of your father to Nigeria, natic bigidi. May I block you now? Your papa be mumu. Your papa mumu. Your mama mumu. In fact, I not go block you. Watch like mugo. I dey come bury you tomorrow. No worry. I dey come bury you alive. For go kill you there because I know you listen to the message and the risings. Or go kill you there. They come bury you, idiot. Mugu idiot. Right. No yaruwe frigi for natic bigidi. No waya mo ye frigi. Wa dry desino viere. Waga dry testage. Waga dry desinoge because why gonna back and wahia ti you say waga dry o ma no teve wune a teve jagbon ya logo una jagbon ya logo ra ve ra ragbon ra marie €50 we o marie na tie no kan wa se na tie €20 e ra mai beti ruga ve ruga tama ve ruga gba o ra e ruri €500 ge ra e ru gwale girlfriend ni ra e ri ona na e ra wa gbe ogun ogbo egbe ra era le mi wiwe era de gbe di agbon ogun ogbera ogbe be fridge no jere ave idiot ave bom mugusi ave wobi era ka be fridge we no ya muera ju to e we no ya spendi go ni you bring passport come on. I have passport, I have red passport, my children have passport. Okay, where I go? A passport back and where? You guys don't have money. No. Don't say that. You have to go look for money. Go and bury your fucking father, man. Your father died as a poor man because a go one. Eri me ma ve wu ve go one. Iji me ma wu ve go one. Iji veni me wa ve poor sena me go. Me go beteri me. Iji keneri me na wu. Iji esili garo. Amwe sili ye the house. And I have taxed the ground. I painted the house. You know. Better done. I did for the house. For that. But you. Oh, wane rana wu esiliero duhu. Esiliero duhu. Salobua. Edeni memie video sili salobua edeni memie video. Ina do fio boy ina tie gangiko. Ibi agbon. Wako. Otu wana we erinye we America. Okere abi London kere. Owuje London yana ye flexi abu ye. Yana mwe destiny ogari owa. But right now. Ya mula de social media me may understand it. You know where Genia or wani or where rano. Seriously? Or where I'm a bo wa mason in here. I'm a debo or masoni. I'm a bo wa it better pass that one because no, I don't fit the Europe. Who will be obieli beside the opo no you go ne web near park inue. On top of those beside children where you born. You know if you take care of your father. That man no go die as a poor man. That man die as a poor man. In fact, that man no know where they for the cut arrow. Or make any out area. You don't know where they for the cut arrow. What the fuck? What a shameful thing, man. Your papa does a poor man. You guys must still live on for fridge. May see they dry there. Aklisi. Wa moviere you to no be kina be a reason see. Wo diagbon maria. In fact, diagbon maria we so all lay me we wa. All lay me we wa. Wa gbe o. E boy idiot. Oh my God. Omo dan no be yagbon. E boy idiot we no ve. We no gmi. E mugu idiot. Ni tamawe. We are just started. You know? Tomorrow go shock you where. Tomorrow go too shock you. You know why? Your records, it will come out to the air tomorrow. Your records go come outside tomorrow. You yourself, you tire. Egbe ave form we are where I get never save. We ya ze. Egbe ave we. Mo avielele. They not they use me to they get viewers. So go on boy. Unu weni we ati me igbo smoker in fact. Me igman boy. Ifati me dasina mesi ove papa na. Igbalin we ununin we ati me igbo smoke. I'm going to burn it for you. I swear. Don't worry. Igbo smoker brothers, they will come and block you in that airport in Nigeria. Where we airport we bo agbena na ya jegan because the document me ye we mo. Understand me jegan papa na. I don't bother Joe mo. I don't bother so boy. Yes, I want to go there and relax. But I don't feel go there because of you. That is why we need to go fight and for Nigeria. But I say yeah, me I know they go Nigeria now. You know they for my dictionary say I'll go Nigeria. Avialele family they wait for you. But any sign you know, again me need told dear lao, go to Nigeria and bury your father. Now that time you know say jobless girl can do or not do. Jobless girl, picky will no get money. Picky will be say never even build us for Nigeria. If he do or not do. Now that I'll tell you say 1,000 euro now just cheeky change to your the smoky go. Now I take day. You know understand? No worry. We go Kerejo whether we just we so bored. We are so bored, you know, not so bored. Go to Nigeria, go and do burial. You go regret why you carry your leg and your family go Nigeria there. When your man, if you not vanish to her, not coming Avialele that day. Your papa go vanish. When you are more like Diani, all vanish. Why they making a bear muyoto? You guys will not go see anything bury. Better write the date of today and you go keep to the right time before you go Nigeria. Without that you don't go get peace. So I say peace, Avialele go give you pieces. Avialele as I did swear, I go pieces that piece where they be want give you. I go pieces some for you. Now so me I take day. And me, you know I quit they come because if he come, yourself you tire. Oh, when next time around, ne mu, will be, we no ve, wa fucking ya faking, sigo mo that's in all war, we Dutchland. A Dutchland is very frustrated, we tobu we packet destiny where we deg to frustrating yan, the Dutchland ye. He said they pay na, they give na money, they give na money. That money no help na idiot people. That money no help you. That is why your life sit there miserable. If they pay you say your sister they grow, they pass you. You know, it's just like when witch they pray for someone to go down, and that witch be the person where they go down every day. He don't go get joy. He can never get joy. No joy. You are praying for your sister to go down. When you know say that poor girl. The children where you born for A, you born for B, you born for Ziggy Kworo. Now, he take care of you and those children. Oh, wanuna be amune kojo. Oh, wanuna ya biele mono viere mane no mane kenere money kere. Oh, wage ona koke money. Oh, wage ona ya we ya fe. Where is the laugh where? Who reason? O tweno wo o gwagona koke e monu biele o doro kporokparo no nueti biewo wae no husband no one you call responsible husband. Is that no shame? Is that no shameful thing? Now you want come out for public they talk. That is why I say me wani me mwa say me TV e wagi ya sigbanyagbe because me mwa so wani boom ogbo wenya we mu we monu biele na odere obiole na na sigo boy be this so the boy never feel born odere they collect people husband hey salo boy I pity for no pity for you Esther. I pity for no pity for you. Avialele pity for you. You know we live in the same Germany. I don't know your place. Maybe tonight I go know where you live, your address, but I'm not coming to you. But if you get that power, so we start ring, buy tickets, come at the multi, I swear. As I beat you and security no go touch am. Outside gates now for beat you, security go day side. Yeah, it true with the weapon. More tier police to boy. Either we just different. Me army wo. Argument wa be different. My own craze different. Government of this level, they know say I'm a mad woman. It can set at any time. I fear you. I don't even fear anybody. I only fear that gun where they for their pocket. Because only that gun I they fear. Go kill no understand. Go kill no understand. They idiot. Just less woman. Listen, Esther, I'm here for you. I never reason your matter ever since. But I can't reason you. Till January 2022, you yourself you go tire. The rest, you could work a mugu idiot. Don't rest, okay? Don't rest because you guys wanna don't buy the small matter from me. Now that matter wanna buy from me soon. Ah, no worry now. The thing don't it don't bond, it don't the suburb. A train track or here agbo whatever. A train track a government agba oremo. A money no we be a lester. A money no we be a government your do your makari every seven. U bien a round bien u bien a zigi horo. Here marry different father. Different father for how many children? God forbid. Hey! Inwe! Sababu ame la ya di agbon wari ave. Ni emuwe adi agbon yo ni mwe kia de kia. Yo ni ame kia ma ni amon we. Agbeu. What's any bia hene itete kuwa serious? All logo bia kete kuwa serious. Bele nu gwa jena ni. Uya mo dere, umu ade. No ma ve do agba oge. Wo be ya take we serious all logo my dear. All logo be ani no take we serious all ju we be hwe. O be no ve mu gwejo gwa de by a character vie no ru gbe na. O be ani awa gwo kese go e. Etamoge kese. You go your that way like say tomorrow no day. I swear. And I said it. Write the date of today. And it must happen. Aka ceremony. Ya atama na wa mi agbonse. Na wa mi agbonse. But ye turn him away because you only je guegwa. You need to still learn many things from me. You need to still learn more. Because me, I ready to teach people where love to learn. For those who no love to learn, I ready to give them fire to fire. Who are you? Who born you? Who born you? They even born you way. Iya be we say. Who say na mo sin ke be we. Tell me, I go tell you when they born you. Your mama go come my live video can't tell you that time say see when they born you. Idiote. Mugus them. Avo we no there. E mugu idiot what do magwa will be a little beside. No ve mwe mata guenia. Odero bielena. Odero. All the children we get now. Not be the man where he put money for a year, the bond for. He carry the man to go the bond for another man. Another man, not be one man, not be two men, not be three men. Wa joge yagbe no mwigo juo unwa. Return igo viere no ya joge gbe wa no efianwu. Return igo viere no junwe bie hwe imi we no vesta. Return igo viere no efianwu ejemni nuje. Ugbe we no ve e bom mugu. A small message in the gwen hina. Take umana take de gbe buede wa hwe. I de gbe buede wa gbede te na yoto. Umie e mwele ga page ni my vaginania. E mwele garan. E wa ya na view born we ku weke mugu idiot. Ya mu wa vale ga vi page na wa gbe. Awu e no ve. E mugu idiot tomorrow. I'm coming for you. Idiote people. I greet my viewers. Oh, what ye bonae? In your gugwa, a viewers in no government. Usolo boade bawa. I need to leave you guys for good now, not for bad, okay? I love you guys. And tomorrow, guys, you guys will see me here tomorrow. The same time, I think 7 o'clock, you guys will see me tomorrow. Let's saga those people. Let them know, say, person like me, I see they exist. I never die. I can never die, okay? I greet all of you now. God bless you guys, huh?